The 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, bucket seats, child safety locks, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.